Hello friends, today we'll be talking on sulfur. Sulfur is the second member of the group 6 in the periodic table. Unlike the first member, oxygen, which is a gas, sulfur is a solid. It is a yellow non-metallic naturally occurring element found mainly in the upper surface of the earth in Sicily and deep in the earth in the United States of America. It is found in a combined state as sulfides of iron, zinc, lead, copper, and mercury, and also as tetraoxosulfate 6 salts of calcium, magnesium, and barium. Small amount of sulfur is also present in plants and in bodies of animals, including man. Likewise, sulfur is also present in some proteins. Sulfur is practically insoluble in water, which suggests that sulfur is a covalent element. Extraction of sulfur. Most of the world's sulfur is obtained from underground deposits, which may be more than 20 meters below the surface of the earth. This non-metallic element is usually extracted from underground deposits by Frasch Process, devised by the American chemist Frasch. This process is based on the fact that sulfur has a comparatively low melting point. Now, since sulfur is found below the Earth's surface, this is the ground level. Sulfur is found somewhere around this place, which is below the Earth's surface. A hole about 30 centimeter diameter is drilled through the soil layers to the sulfur bed, that is the sulfur deposits below the Earth's surface. A sulfur pump or Frasch pump made up of 3 concentric steel pipes is driven down the hole that was made before. This is the first pipe, which is the outer pipe. Then the second pipe, which is the center pipe. Then we have the innermost pipe here. Now, superheated water at about 170 degrees Celsius under pressure is pumped through the outermost pipe to the sulfur deposits to melt the sulfur. Superheated water under pressure is pumped down to the sulfur deposits through the outermost pipe to melt the sulfur. Then hot compressed air under a pressure of about 20 to 25 atmosphere is blown down the innermost pipe. This hot compressed air forces the mixture of water and molten sulfur to gush out of the middle pipe. So the mixture of molten sulfur and water gushes out through the middle pipe due to the hot compressed air that was blown down the innermost pipe. So it forces the mixture of water and molten sulfur to gush out through the middle pipe. The mixture of the molten sulfur and water is collected in a large tank where it solidifies on cooling and can be separated from water. The sulfur obtained after separation is about 99.5% pure. Now, allotropes of sulfur. Allotropy is the ability of an element to exist in two or more different forms in the same physical state. So sulfur exhibits allotropy. The main allotropes of sulfur are Rhombic sulfur, which is the alpha sulfur, Monoclinic sulphur, which is the beta sulfur, and amorphous sulfur, which is the gamma sulfur. So these three are the main allotropes of sulfur. But there is also another form of sulfur known as the plastic sulfur. Uses of sulfur. Sulfur is used in the manufacture of tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, which is the king of all chemicals. Also, sulfur is used in making sprays to control plant diseases caused by fungi and harmful insects. Sulfur is used in the vulcanization of rubber, which is a process which converts soft rubber into hard, tough, and less plastic, more durable form of sulfur by heating sulfur. So sulfur is used in the vulcanization of rubber, and vulcanization is a process which converts soft rubber into hard, tougher, less plastic, and more durable form by heating using sulfur. Sulfur is also used in the manufacture of matches, gunpowder, and fireworks. Likewise, sulfur is also used in the preparation of medicinal ointments. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.